Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I'm sharing with you guys 5 outfits, everyday outfits. So we're gonna start with Monday, and I just chose like my black wrap skirt and a lilac blazer, double that with one of my cool belts that I got from Shein, and then threw in a black scarf, a white bodysuit underneath just to keep the look clean and everything. So for the second look on Tuesday, I went with my jeans. These are like my wide-legged jeans that I got from Ukomba. My bag is from Bag Brag, and then I use this like really cute blouse that has like a nice necktie detail. And then I wore like my black kitten heels together with my chocolate brown trench coat, and then a very nude scarf just to tie in the nude aspects together. So for the third look, I wanted to be like a more laid back, warm, cozy but stylish look. So I wore my black turtleneck chunky sweater, and then my black like vintage looking bag. I've been so into these like baguette bags, so stylish. I got mine from Ukomba, and then I styled this with my pink pleated skirt that I also got from Ukomba like a while ago, like sometime last year. I then paired the look with a pair of like baby pink sneakers, like Vans, just to tie in like the pink aspects. I didn't want the look to be all dull. I wanted to brighten it up, so I thought like a pair of like light colored sneakers would help. And then I just wore like a black scarf to tie the whole look in. I like how cozy this look looks. Like it feels so cozy, looks so cozy, looks very effortless, but I look quite stylish if I do say so myself. So the fourth look, this is my Thursday look. I decided to go a little bit laid back and a little bit more warmer. I know Nairobi lately has been kind of iffy with its weather, so it'd be like sunny during the day and it gets super cold at night. So I decided to add one warm look, so I am wearing one of my bags, like my current additions to my bags. That bag is from Shein. I absolutely love it. And then I decided to wear like a nude hoodie that's from Pull & Bear, and then a pair of nude pants, wide-legged pants. These pants are from Toy Market, and then my boots as well are from Toy Market. This bag is so cute. And then I just decided to throw over like my huge chunky coat that I love so much. I really love how androgynous this coat makes my outfit look, but if it gets too hot, I can obviously take off the coat. So the final look, which is Friday, I decided to go more stylish in case, you know, sometimes Fridays you might get plans after whatever you're doing, like date night or whatever, or like girls night. So I decided to choose this really cute like slip dress sort of thing, but it is like full sleeves and it's not satin, but it looks like a slip dress, from Nomad's Daughter. This actually came as a dress from another dress, but I decided to wear this piece and use my balloon sleeved blouse from Platform 2 Rivers and just like tuck it around my waist to make it look cropped. And then I wore my white bag from the Bag Brag. I actually switched out the strap on this bag just to create that contrast, because the dress does have like black specks on it. And then to tie the whole look together, I decided to go for a pair of very bright pink heels just to make everything pop. So yeah guys, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.